Making your next landscape pop with detail can be done using one easy-to-use filter inside of ON1 Effects. With the powerful dynamic contrast filter, you have complete control of your image's details, textures, and tonality. Creating detail in your image using Photoshop requires multiple layers and some in-depth knowledge of the software. Use ON1 Effects on your next landscape photos to apply detail in one click. Once you're inside of Effects, adding creative filters is a breeze, and they can all be completely customized to fit your shot. The dynamic contrast filter is the go-to filter for quickly incorporating detail into your photos. Not only can you apply detail and control the look of textures and micro contrast, you can even adjust tonality settings, allowing you to completely revamp and revitalize landscapes in one compact, easy to modify filter. The filters are also maskable, so if you need to protect areas from any detail, you can use any of PhotoRaw's powerful masking tools to help out. And in one mighty filter, we've applied detail, adjusted our image's tonality, and brought life into the landscape's vibrant colors. Not only can you use ON1 Effects as a plugin through Adobe, it can also be used as a standalone application on Mac and Windows. Get all of these features and more with ON1 Effects, or get every plugin we make with the ON1 Professional Plugin Bundle.